Hello beautiful people, how's it going? Today I wanted to show you how I style my curtain bangs. It's insanely easy, it literally takes like 30 seconds, but it took me a while to figure out like how to make it work, so hopefully this will help make it faster and easier for you. First, you just need a straightener. I clip the rest of my hair back just to make it easier to see the part I'm working with, but you don't have to do that when you're styling it. You don't have to. Now that the straightener is hot, I'm just taking one side, clamping the straightener around it, and then pulling it along the hair in an upwards motion that then curves back in toward my face. I'm basically making a letter C, like this, that starts at my hairline and ends at my cheekbone. I also pull the straightener slightly towards the outside of my face as I do this, just to make sure the swoosh goes in that direction and not into my eyes. Then I do the exact same thing on the other side, and that's literally it. I do also have a couple other tips regarding curtain bangs. If you were just here for that one piece of information, you can click out now. But here are my other tips. Number one is that bangs like this are super easy to cut on yourself. Stylists everywhere are screaming as I say this, but personally, I think you don't need to go to a stylist. All you really have to do is pull out the very front pieces like this along your hairline. This looks very silly. Pull them straight down like this and just like cut them somewhere near your nose. Straight across. And that's it. I mean, that is what I did, so. Alright, tip number two is just make sure your part is in the middle. It just won't work with the side part because you need both sides to be kind of even. I mean, my part is like slightly off center. It should be like right here, but generally towards the center as long as they look relatively balanced. Tip number three is just to remember, if you do cut them and you hate them at first, it's probably just because like your hair hasn't adjusted yet, it hasn't trained to the new spot, and when you sleep on it and then you shower and wash it and dry it all again, it will blend in a lot better to your hair. And tip number four is if you don't have curtain bangs yet, this is your sign to get them. I imagine if you're watching this, you either have them or are interested in having them, maybe considering it, and you should just do it. It'll look so good on you. It really will. Like, you will look so cute, so you should just get them. If this helped you in any way, please do like the video and also just let me know in the comments. I would really like to know if this is actually helpful and useful to anyone. I have some other like fun trendy hairstyling videos, but I do mostly do fashion, so if you're interested in either of those topics, feel free to check them out on my channel. And if you want to see more styling stuff from me, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, it's right there. You know how, come on. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you personally so very much. See you next time. Bye!